Hi everyone, welcome to Flow with Nicole. Today we'll do a listening practice centered on Valentine's Day. I'll read a paragraph followed by listening comprehension questions. Let's begin. 情人節即將來臨，城市嘅氣氛明顯變得浪漫，街上到處都係成雙成對嘅情侶，好多高級餐廳推出限定嘅情侶套餐，希望吸引更加多嘅客人。老公2個星期前就已經訂好位，諗住帶我去撐台腳，我哋為咗避開人流，所以喺情人節前一日慶祝，點知大家都有咁嘅諗法。我想妹妹一齊嚟，因為佢嘅前男友上個月移情別戀，我唔想佢一個人唔開心，但係佢唔想做電燈膽，所以冇同我哋去食燭光晚餐。其實我都明白佢嘅感受，因為情人節唔單止慶祝愛情，亦都會放大孤單同失落。跟住我哋去咗商場，商場播放住輕快嘅音樂，到處都掛滿紅色同粉紅色嘅心形裝飾。我哋去嗰度係因為有一套新上映嘅愛情片想睇，我哋覺得個預告片都幾唔錯，但係事實上並唔係咁樣，個結局真係好無厘頭。雖然部電影唔好睇，但係都冇影響我哋嘅心情。今日真係好開心。我哋平時嘅生活為工作而忙碌，好少有相處嘅時間，所以即使情人節好商業化，我都好感激有呢一日，可以俾我哋一個二人世界嘅機會。Let's move on to the listening comprehension questions. Question number 1. How is the atmosphere in the city described as Valentine's Day approaches? Question number 2. What strategy do many high-end restaurants use to attract customers during this period? Question number 3. What plan did my husband and I have for Valentine's Day celebration? Question number 4. Why did my husband and I decide to celebrate before Valentine's Day instead of on the actual day? Question number 5. Why did I want to invite my sister to join us? Question number 6. Why did my sister refuse to join the Valentine's Day dinner? Question number 7. How do I feel about my sister's decision not to attend the dinner? Question number 8. How is the atmosphere of the shopping mall? Question number 9. Why do I think the movie was bad? Question number 10. Why am I grateful for Valentine's Day even though I describe it as commercialized? If you'd like to review the full journal and check the answers for the listening questions, you can download the notes. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.